Hello everyone, welcome back. Food prices are through the roof, so today I'm going to share with you a very budget-friendly recipe which can be served for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This recipe is none other than my spin on the potato casserole. Come on guys, let's go. So for our potato casserole cups, these are all the ingredients we are going to need. Here I have some potatoes. I have some mozzarella cheese. Any cheese would do. It's your preference. I have 2 eggs. I have some dill. I have some thyme. I have some chicken. You can just go to the store and grab a bag of the chicken strips. Or if you have any leftover chicken, you go ahead and use it. You can also use for this recipe if you have bacon, if you have salmon, any protein that you have, you can use for this recipe. You can use a kind of tuna fish. Please don't limit yourselves to what you can do with this recipe. We are going for budget friendly, so please use anything that you have in your pantry. Use whatever herbs you like. Go ahead and use it. I'm going to be using dill and thyme today. You can also use parsley, green onions, whatever else that you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel my potatoes. I've peeled all of my potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and slice. So my potatoes are nice and sliced. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and use some paper towel just to pat dry my potatoes. I'm just going to go ahead and give a little black pepper. Salt. And give it a toss. I'm going to set my potatoes aside. Crack my eggs. Give it a quick scramble. Set this aside. I'm going to go ahead and grate some of my mozzarella cheese. And you can use any cheese that you like. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to go ahead and chop up some dill. Going to set this aside. And my chicken. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut up my chicken into smaller pieces. I have about 1/3 cups milk here. I'm going to transfer my egg into my milk. And I did this just to give me a little more of the egg mixture. I did not want to add another egg to it, because basically I'm just using the egg to bind my potatoes together, not for anything else. So I'm just adding some milk, so it gives me some more egg mixture. I'm using my muffin tin. You do not have to. You can just arrange it in a dish. If you do not have a muffin tin, do not go out and buy a muffin tin just for this. I'm just making individual ones. So I just wanted to show you how I make my individual ones. But you can use this in a tray or a dish. So now we just assemble. So I'm going to layer with 2 slices of potato first in the bottom. And please season your potatoes, guys. You just add some extra flavor. You guys know that I love flavor. I'm all about flavor. So anything to add to enhance my flavors, I will do that. And just a simple salt and pepper will do. And I'm going to add some chicken. So you just layer. So if you're doing this in a dish, you do the same steps. You put a layer of potatoes in the bottom, a layer of chicken or whatever protein it is you like, and then you top it with another layer of potato. Now I'm going to put some dill. I love dill, it just gives this unique flavor. But you can go ahead and add any herb that you like. And this is just so beautiful. This is also a perfect holiday dish if you have company. You have people over, you can just make this for breakfast. Now we layer. So now you just pour in your egg mixture, and this will just bind your potatoes together. Then you just top with some cheese. Now just top with some thyme. Just pull it off the stem. And some dill. And into the oven it goes. Quick, easy, simple. I'm going to set my timer for 35 minutes. Mini potato casserole looks delicious. Perfect. There it is, guys. And it smells delicious in here. My mini potato casseroles are done. It looks and smells delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more flavorful videos. Come on, let's eat. It is delicious. Guys, this is a must try because it is so quick, easy, and inexpensive. This is a keeper for sure. So good. This is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next one. Bye.